Family ka mau hati ba da sakya lamari ulo ang bola le akat bala ban peso thui ki pai ba halor katika ban ya da na ka jing pangklam COVID-19 ya gani ulo ang ha ka je kandu ba kinong ai khubor ha ka arp khandai tre unai tung ar haja arpoi shushu ma da sakya ulo ang bo unle ban ai se ka benta ka ba ar jo ka jing ai tika bulo khod aweru ikinong lam shnong ba kin le ban ai lang ba ban batai pat chi ki pai ba halor ka je rap kani katika.
The only problem we're having right now in Mohoti constituency, honestly, is the vaccination drive. People are afraid of the vaccine, and me personally, and the authorities from the district are trying our level best, whatever we can, to bring awareness. I myself, I think I'll be going next week for my second dose. I'll be getting it done in Nongpo if possible, in such an arrangement that I was planning to call all the Rangba Shnongs and the executive committee of different villages. I was thinking of bringing them along in the program, which I'm planning to do. On the same day, I'll get my vaccination, my second dose vaccination, and at the same time, I will try to brief them myself. They might be of some help, because the amount of fear that people are having in my constituency when it comes to vaccine is very critical, and I'm finding it very, very difficult to convince them. And it's very difficult, and vaccine is very, very important these days. So that is the situation that is there in Mount right now.